Welcome to this week's My Guide Marbella Weekly. Now, as the children said last week, this week we are going to cover some of the activities, the summer camps that are happening here in Marbella throughout July and August. So we're starting here at the PG Golf and Sports Academy. Now that's up in Atalaya, so Benavice exit, just a little bit up into the mountain there. And they have a kids camp that's running Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. till 1 p.m. Now it's golf focused, but you don't need to have golf experience. You could be a complete beginner. From about 6 years old, they're telling me, to 14. And there's going to be golf with one of the great instructors, Patricia, who's just behind me. But they're also going to be doing all sorts of other sports as well. There's football and basketball and even archery coming in. Kids need to come with breakfast already in them. But some healthy snacks and water will be provided throughout the day, and the cost is €250 per week. Next we've come to the Club de Padel. Here just a little distance out of Puerto Banús, so super central, and my second home because I'm in the gym here every day anyway. But they have a brilliant kids club set up for this summer. You can come for the week, you can subscribe for a whole month, or you can just do the drop-in days if you want to. A week is €175, the month is €550, and the general programme is going to be from 10 till 2. Massive programme here. They're going to be taking advantage of all the facilities. So there's paddle, there's yoga, there's jiu-jitsu, there's boxing lined up, and of course some arts and crafts and some downtime too. But something really interesting, which I think is great to promote, is that they've teamed up with one of the local language schools. So if your child is wanting to learn Spanish while they're here on holiday, or maybe you're a Spanish resident and you want to learn some English, or some other languages too are being offered, they're doing a little extension. So you can stay here, the children, from 3 until 4 o'clock. So in that case, you do 10 till 2, they'd have a lovely lunch in the fantastic restaurant here, and then they'd have their language class from 3 till 4. So 3 till 4, sorry. So a super programme here at the Club de Padel. Next we've come to the drone school here at the Sol Melia, which is on the beachside in Atalaya. Now if you've got children from 8 years to 15 years old, this is a fab option. They have the kids club from 10 till 2 every day. Full week is €300, and the kids are going to learn absolutely everything about what it is to fly a drone, to maintain them, to race them, to do tricks with them. It really is a complete kind of workshop and a school kind of education as well. Now, if you haven't got a full week and you're just looking to fill in a couple of days here and there, children can come here on an odd day as well. The charge is €85 for the day, again from 10 till 2. But they also do a 2-hour slot as well. So it's super flexible and something that you can sort of dip into or go for the whole week. Next we're here at Marbella Aerial Fitness, run by the gorgeous Hayley. Now if your children are budding acrobats or like the feeling of flying safely, then this is the place to come. 8 years upwards, from 10:30 till 2:30, Monday to Friday. She's charging €220 a week, and your children can learn, even if they're complete beginners, everything they need to be a great aerialist. So on the hoops behind me, and they'll also be learning choreography, all leading towards a really fun photo shoot at the beach on the Friday at the end of the week. So yeah, if you've got a bit of an acrobat in the family, this is maybe where you need to send them. Location-wise, Marbella Aerial Fitness is located on the grounds of the PYR Hotel. Now that is right in the centre of Puerto Banús, so super easy to get to, and Hayley will give you directions of where to come when you sign up. Finally, we're here at Bubble Marbella, or Bubble's actually in El Rosario, so that's just a short trip east of Marbella. Known as a family activity centre day to day, but in the summer their camps for the kids are legendary. Bit more focused at the younger age group, but what is great is that each and every week has a theme. So if your child decides, or you decide for your child, to be here every week through July and August, which is more than possible, each week is separately themed. So there's no week's going to be the same. They have messy play, they have creative things, they have even swimming. It's science experiments, it's fascinating, and the children absolutely love it. Other big benefit, they also offer timing from 8:45 in the morning until 2, or even 8:45 until 4, with breakfast and lunch included. So there's quite a lot of flexibility if you're working in the summer too. Also the language here as well. So English and Spanish being spoken, very much a bilingual environment, and super fun for the kids, they'll love it. Now of course, everywhere we've mentioned, everywhere we've been today, you can find on My Guide Marbella, there's a handy list that's got tons of the summer club information on it as well. You can contact the businesses directly, of course. We hope you have a fantastic start to the summer. Of course, there's a million other things that kids can do here, tons of activities that don't need to be a camp environment. Everything from paddle surf to paddle tennis. You can do all of that with the kids here in Marbella. Have a lovely weekend.
The future is now.